St. Mary-based HP1K Distance Academy is crying out for help with footwear, citing a dire need for spikes to aid in the improvement of performance of primary-aged athletes in that parish. Jermaine Brown tells us more.
With the aim of unearthing athletic talent in eastern Jamaica, the HP1K Distance Academy, which consists of 5 schools in St. Mary, is seeking assistance with spikes. With footwear being costly, the club's coach, Okinio Steele, raised concerns about the lack of suitable spikes, which is hindering the ability of athletes to train and compete at their best.
At least 80% of the track is have to run barefooted because can't afford spikes, and as I said before, it's an unsponsored club, so it's a challenge, sir.
Tiana Thomas is one of the athletes who competes in the distance events.
Burn up your foot, so they won't able to stay up and shovel long, and them are gonna take time so long upon the field, so we gonna come last. So.
Distance runner Nikhil Benjamin, who owns his spikes, believes they greatly enhance his performance.
So because it's a running shoes, you have to find a 2 point. There are different types. There's a sprinting and long distance. And one video we are sprint and long distance in one. And I have the sprint and long distance in one. Yeah, but and it's nice to run in and you help you push forward. You have teeth, you have grass teeth, chevron teeth, and other. Yes, sir.
According to Coach Steele, the challenges extend far beyond the footwear. However, he's still able to produce good results.
It is running 12-2 barefooted and 24-9 barefooted. What will do if he's having spikes on his foot? He can grip the gun better, but it will get better from here, sir. Hopefully, other players can see the club now, see what I'm putting in, and reach out to us.
The St. Mary-based track club is now counting on the support from the community, sponsors, and well-wishers to help spike the confidence of the athletes.